Since I'll be in Baguio for a few days, we'll be doing my wash day here. For the whole 2024, I have been using the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo for my wash days, and kita ko talaga sa before and after clips ko na my scalp loves it. Probably because of the skincare ingredients it has, like niacinamide, which alam natin is moisturizing, and it's the only shampoo that I've tried that effectively clarifies my scalp from the buildups every time. I also find this more gentle and not chalky compared to other dandruff shampoos. Nakakalambot pa siya ng hair, which I love. So if you'd like to try something new and effective for your dandruff this new year, try the most derma-prescribed shampoo, the Dove Dermacare Scalp Shampoo. It cares not only for your hair, but also the scalp. Switch to Care today and experience dandruff-free hair with zero compromises.
We are doing a CR break. And actually, ang daming aso dito.
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems
With Casper. Actually guys, mainit. Ganon. Tirik yung araw. Hindi kita sa video pero sobrang tarik guys. Oh my gosh. Ulam, longganisa, and gulay. Sabi niya, Casper. Ang sabi. Password.
Password. Password. Hindi mo, Casper.
This is where we're gonna stay today. This balcony here. This is the view from the balcony. Merong upuan. Ayan. Natulog ka ba?
Hindi pa.
Hindi. Dapat pala natulog ka muna eh. Gusto mo lumabas?
Pero sama ato no sama.
Sama ka ng sama. Yan no, sama din na sama yan no.
Pag nang-work sila, hindi natin sumasama sa kanila.
Kasi bawal.
Pwede.
Pwede ba?
Kasi, ano sa work nila, may malaking dog.
Anong dog? Baka mabait naman yun. Baka mabait naman yung dog.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Ayun yung mami ng dog namin sa ng iba.
May dog kayo. Sa bahay.
May dog kami ng dalawa.
Dalawa.
Malaki na.
Malaki. Malaki sa kanya. Boy o girl?
Boy.
Boy sila. So, we're done doing grocery shopping for Noche Buena. So, ang lulutuin namin or ang share namin sa Noche Buena is kare-kare, napata, and tuwalya. And also, clam chowder soup. Grabe, nagkikrave ako sa weather na to for SNR clam chowder soup. Like, so yeah. Look at my baby waiting outside. Hello! got gulay here sa Baguio. Parang palengke here.
Ibat ka na.
Tutulog. Natulog na, tulog.
Natulog na talaga.
It's 7 and nakalimutan ko kakain nga pala si Casper. Oh no. Kakain nga pala si Casper, so lalagyan natin ng gizzard nasa ref. Casper! We are now walking to the house ng tito ko, which is dun kami magsa-celebrate ng Noche Buena. And medyo malapit lang kasi siya sa transient house namin. That's why nilalakad na lang namin kasi mahirap yung parking. So, yeah. Puyat ka na ba? Kaya ka nagtatago?
We know, Lord, that you were born. You were born to save us, O Lord. May you join us, O Lord, as we celebrate your birthday, Lord. And may you bless the food namin din po pagsasaluhan. Maraming salamat. This was mighty in Jesus. Amen and amen.
Kaka tayo ng Happy Birthday, Jesus. Happy Birthday, Jesus. Happy Birthday, Jesus. Happy Birthday, Happy Birthday, Happy Birthday, Jesus.
Kare, lumpia, telepono. Second round ng kare-kare. Ikaw, anong type? Pinaka-type mo? way home. Morning! We're having coffee here sa terrace. Ikaw ba mag-coffee?
Bawal na ito pang topi.
Ka mag-toffee. Good morning everyone. Haven't been able to vlog again. But good morning! Mukha ko may eye bags but that's mascara na na-smudge. Right now, I'm gonna ligo na kasi it's Christmas Day and lalabas kami. I'll see you later. Hello everyone! Naligo na ako, but I did not wash my hair, of course. This is day 2 curls, and hindi ko pa siya medyo nare-refresh. That's why medyo ganun pa to, pero later na. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. I have my makeup here, and yeah. Hi ka! Hi!
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
May makeup dito kasi maganda yung lighting. Guys, this is the sweater that I got Casper. It's actually a parang puffer jacket. And binili ko talaga yan kasi alam kong magbabagyo kami. Here! Pakita mo yung mo. Oh, naka-red sweater siya. Yung short sleeves sa kanya guys, long sleeves. Hi! Hi! Merry Christmas everyone! Sabi mo, Pink, Merry Christmas! Casper! Ano paycheck! Oh, paras ka doon oh! Hi! Hi! Ayun oh! Casper! Guys, so kumain na kami muna kasi alanganin na sa dinner yung Christmas Village which is 6 PM magsa-start. And advice ko lang guys, bumili na kayo ng ticket para diretso na kayo doon by 6 PM. Ganun yung ginawa namin and binigyan na lang kami ng QR. So, yeah. Hintay kami dito sa van.
Christmas time is rolling in. Can you feel the vibe? The lights are all shining bright like the stars up in the sky. Got the festive spirit, reading all the stories, gathering around the fire, shelter from at the North Pole. Christmas, Christmas is rockin'. Christmas, Christmas is rockin'.
Ben strawberry ice cream.
Christmas Day, will everyone
Going to Burnham. Bibigyan mo siya. Yan ka lang ha. Nakatulog. We are here at the Ayan restaurant. We're gonna eat lunch. Welcome to Strawberry Farm. We have strawberry and avocado ice cream. Favorite namin to dito. And mag-pick kami ng strawberries, which is surprisingly ngayon lang namin ginawa. Kahit ilang beses kami nagbabadyo. Hi! Hi kayo! Hi ka, Audrey!
Ayaw mo?
Hello! Oh, hello! Hi!
Daming strawberry.
Laming strawberry. Naubos na nga ng mga tourist eh. Hindi na tayo makapik eh. Look at the color ng lettuce. Grabe. Lalo sa video, mas bright siya. Unfortunately, naubusan na kami ng strawberries. That's why hindi na kami makapik.